In this video, you're going to learn how to delete your TikTok account permanently in 2021. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, go down to the bottom right-hand corner and click on your profile icon. That's going to open up your profile page where you're going to want to go to the top right-hand corner and click on that 3-line menu. And then here, the very first selection is Manage Account. Click on Manage Account. Down at the bottom, you can see it says Delete Account. Go ahead and click on Delete Account. It's going to ask you some questions about why you are leaving TikTok. I like the one that says, I'm on TikTok too much. If you don't have an answer for them, just go ahead and skip it, top right-hand corner. And then you can also download all of your TikTok data. After you're done, just go ahead and click the little box down at the bottom, or excuse me, a little circle down at the bottom. It says, by continuing, you reviewed your data request and wish to continue deleting your account. When you press that red button down at the bottom that says continue, you will have deleted your account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, smash like, subscribe, and watch this video right here.